Eyelash clusters for beginners. When you're looking for your eyelash clusters, the base of the cluster sometimes comes in different sizes. For example, this lash here, you can see the base of the lash is not that wide. Now, if we look at this lash, you can see the base of that lash is a lot wider. So when I put the lash on, it was a lot easier to apply to the base of my lash than the skinnier one. So what I've learned is there's two ways of applying the bond. The first way is taking the bond and actually applying it directly to your natural lashes, or applying the bond directly to the cluster itself and then applying it. I found for my application, applying the bond to the lash helped me better than applying it to my actual lashes. I did find that when I would blink, my lashes was kind of like glued to the bottom lashes and I'd have to pull it a little bit. So it's personal preference and completely up to you. I would try both ways. The other thing you want to think about when applying your lashes is your lash map. So how you want to apply these lashes. Now on this eye, I like an open eye. So I like short to long to short. So I believe I went 10, 12, 14, 14, 12, 10 to give me a nice rounded look. Okay, so I have my bond and I'm just going to apply it to the lash base. You want to make sure that when you are applying the lash, where you're going to start from the outside and work our way in, you are applying the lash not on the actual lash line itself. That's how you'll get scratching and irritation. You want to apply the lash just to the base, close enough to the lash line, but not directly on the lash line. And voila, you have your first lash cluster. Okay, again, lifting that eye up and applying it at the base of that lash line. So I've done 2 12s at the end. I'm gonna go in with a 14 now, again at the base of that lash. Again, going in with another 14 at the base of the lash. Pressing that lash together. Now that I'm done, I can see that I have all of my lashes, but they're not as full as I'd like them. So I'm actually gonna double up. So I'm gonna stick another 14 in the center. And I'm just gonna put it on top of the other lashes. Gonna go in with another 12. Gonna go in with another 10. Once you're done, you're then gonna go in with your seal, and this seals the lashes together, and you're gonna place that right at the top of the lashes. You have officially completed your cluster lashes. In case you need a close-up, this is what the base looks like. So it's not on the skin, it's just at the base of the lash. I hope this helps.